Day 1 of Now That It's Decluttered. I am calling the series Now That It's Decluttered, and we are going to go through all areas of my house, giving it a deep clean, walking you through all the steps now that my house is completely decluttered. That doesn't mean I'm not still going to be getting clutter out as I'm going through some of this. So if I find stuff, I will definitely show you guys what I am getting out. But yeah, we're going to start from the top to the bottom. We're going to start dusting, and we're going to wipe down the walls.
I think this could be a reason for why my allergies are kind of acting up right now.
So today we're focusing on dust, surfaces, floors, and all of the things cleaning. This has been a long time coming. I have needed to do this for so long. So thank you guys for being my motivation, and I hope to motivate you as well. Stay so motivated, so encouraged. I will see you in our next video. Bye for now. Oh, and let me know if you're excited for this series. Leave me a balloon emoji in the comments. Bye for now.
All right, my shark is clear, so let's see what we pick up. Good amount of nastiness. All right, we're gonna use this little off-brand Dollar General mop. Because that area is clean, I still have to work with all of this. So let me know in the comments what you're getting done. I'm going to get started on all of this. So happy that we can be here in a community and work on getting all the stuff cleaned and decluttered together. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now. Day 2 of Now That It's Decluttered. I woke up with the idea that today I would tackle all of the windows in my house. Well, the windows led to the bathroom, and the bathroom led to the bedroom. So today we're tackling a little bit of everything that's bothering me. Yesterday I checked out a grocery store called Sprouts. I've never been there before. It's Sprouts Farmers Market, and they had this glass cleaner, and it basically just has alcohol in it, what I use anyways. But it worked so good. So I don't know what other like sodium something in there that's really helpful, but it cleaned the windows super well. Then I also tried this multi-purpose Zum cleaner, and I love the brand Zum. I use it in my soaps all the time. I also have a body lotion that's Zum. The brand also has like goat milk soap and some other good properties in their soap. I don't know, I just really like it. So we have hard water. We live out in the country, so we are on a well. So that's all these water stains that you see. So they're super fun to clean up all the time. So if you're new, I just want to welcome you into the channel and the community we've built over here. I started cleaning and decluttering my house, and I made it to 100 days of decluttering. You can go back in my shorts and check it out if you're interested. I was on a mission to clean my entire house before my 5th sweet baby girl came into the world, and she is now going on 9 months. So you guys have been here a long time, and you guys have been supporting this channel, and I just am so thankful to have you guys on my side. And I really love making these videos to encourage you to do the same in your house. I feel like busy is an understatement in this season of my life. To my friends, sometimes I describe it of my head just being above the water. But it's not true. God has been so good, and he's so faithful to get us through the tough times and the rough seasons. And I hope that you feel the same way. I hope whatever you're going through, that you know that you are able to get through it with the Lord's help. Just rely on him, trust in him, read his scripture, and have faith, my friends. Let me know if you need any prayer for anything. I would love to pray for you guys in the comments. And yes, just keep pushing and pressing on to get all the things that you need to get done in your house. I'm so happy to have you guys. As I've said, if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, join our beautiful community of wonderful people just trying to make their homes better for their families. All right, we'll see you in our next video. Let me know if you are enjoying this series so far. Only day 2. I can't wait to get into more stuff, more dirty, greasy, grimy stuff in my house. Oh, and if you've made it this far, go ahead and drop a frog in the emojis. Oh, I say it every time. That is how my brain works. It goes backwards. Drop a frog in the comment section. Either my coffee is working in overdrive and I need some kind of carbs to sustain my brain this morning. I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to chill out, relax a little bit, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.
Hi everyone, it's day 3 of cleaning and not decluttering because we are done with that. So this series is called Now That It's Decluttered, day 3. I decided to tackle the microwave today. Geez, my brain is just slowing down on me already this morning. And I wanted to clean out the air vent. You will see how bad it was, but we're just going to tackle these 2 things today. We're going to take it easy on ourselves. Honestly, that air vent was brutal and I'm getting out of the house now. And I am just glad that it's done though. So you will feel so motivated to get yours done if you get it done. And I hope that you guys just have the best day. Did you know if you add some soap to your frother and turn it on, you will get an easy clean every time? Yeah, I didn't, and I tried it, and it's genius. And I'm not going to tell you who thought of it, me, but we'll just keep going because I'm just that great. Kidding. But yes, so first sip of coffee, you know it's the best. I was reading in James today, just so encouraged by the book of James in the Bible. What a great passage of encouragement to be a better believer and a follower of Jesus. But yes, so we're just going to keep on going with the cleaning this morning, get as much done as we can get done. I know the house is messy, but that is life with littles, and I'm a mama to 5 beautiful kiddos, and we are always on the go. And yeah, so if you are new here, please let me know in the comments and let me know how everything is going in your decluttering journey. I did start a playlist where you can go back and look at all 100 days of my decluttering, and then we're starting a new playlist, and that will be called Now That It's Decluttered. So you'll see what I was working with, and the vent looks a lot better now. What a nasty... And I had to take some lozenges that had some vitamin C in it because your girl was sneezing after this. It was brutal. But let's get it done. Let's knock it out, and we can be proud of ourselves later, and it's just one less thing that we have to worry about. If you've made it this far, per my daughter's request, go ahead and leave a hair bow in the comments. Sorry, she changed her mind. She said a little ducky would be great. Anyways, subscribe if you're new. Stay so motivated, so encouraged, and as always, we will see you in our next video. Bye for now.
I'll take it.
It's 11 o'clock. I'm not really tired. You know when you lay in bed but your brain just will not shut off? Well, that's tonight. So we're gonna go ahead and close down the kitchen. Everybody is in bed or supposed to be in bed. You know, those late night gonna get out of their beds no matter what. But we're gonna close down the kitchen. I hope you're joining me tonight. I hope you got your kitchen closed down. If you're watching this video, go ahead and leave a tractor in the comments. Let me know what you got going on this weekend. I'm so excited that tomorrow is Saturday. Looking forward to spending the day with the family. We don't have many plans. The kiddos are going back to school soon, so we actually finished up our school shopping, which was so fun. I'm gonna be going through the kids' clothes again this week, and I have a donation center that gives away clothes for free, so I'm gonna drop off a bunch of clothes to them, and I'm super excited for that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great night's rest, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Stay so motivated, so encouraged, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. It's day 4 of Now That It's Decluttered, and today we are deep cleaning my junk drawer. This was very much needed. I didn't buy any new fancy organizers, which I could probably use, but we're just gonna work with what we got, get it done, clean it out, make it nice and tidy if we can. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Becca. I'm a mom to 5 kiddos. My husband and I live in Florida, and I've been on a decluttering and cleaning mission. So right now we're gonna head towards this coffee maker, and we are going to clean it up, give it a nice wipe down. So in this series, we are not slacking. We're getting every inch. It was messy, and it is dirty and grimy, and we're just tackling it all. And I will say my microwave felt so amazing when I opened it this morning. So this challenge is already paying off for me. Good is good enough. I hope you're getting your decluttering done, and let me know in the comments if you are. I'm here to motivate you, but you guys motivate me and keep me accountable to do the same in my house. Y'all get ready for this. This has not been done in years. Like since we put our flooring in our house. It's bad. Just prepare yourself.
Yikes!
I warned you. Number 9 was hanging tight. So we're gonna wipe it down, getting all these cracks. I had to show my husband just how bad it was, but we're getting it tackled. We're getting it done. There's no shame here on the channel. Our good is good enough for us, and your good is good enough, and you are more than conquerors, and you can do it too. If you've watched this far, go ahead and leave a penguin emoji in the comments. And I hope you guys are staying so motivated through these shorts. We will see you in our next video. Stay motivated and encouraged. Bye for now.